Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I accomplished my 3-strand twist out, which was inspired by one of my favorite YouTubers, Daye La Soul. I'll be using a new product called Urban Hydration for this style, and everything will be listed down below. While you're here, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Now let's get into it. I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and here I wrapped my hair with a t-shirt to absorb some of the excess water. I'm working in 4 sections, starting with the back first, using the Urban Hydration Coconut Oil Styling Cream, the Coconut Oil Daily Moisturizer, and the Coconut Oil Curl Defining Gel. I'm going to take a generous amount of the Coconut Oil Daily Moisturizer and work it into my hair evenly. Next, I'm going to do the same thing with the Coconut Oil Styling Cream, and last, the Coconut Oil Curl Defining Gel. Once I have worked everything into my hair evenly, I go in with my Denman brush to detangle from ends to roots. To start my twist, I'm going to first start by braiding it at the roots to secure my roots and make sure that my roots lay down. I'm going to start by braiding it, and once I braid it enough to secure my roots, I'm going to take the end piece of my hair and wrap it over the center piece of hair and the other end piece of hair. Again, I'm going to continue to just grab the end piece and wrap it around the other 2 pieces, and I'm going to continue to do that all the way down to the end of the twist. And once I get to the end, I'm going to then coil it around my finger like such. Okay, I know that sounded kind of confusing, so I'm going to do it 2 more times, one in fast motion and then one slowed down towards the front so you can get a better view. Since I am still transitioning all of the color and heat damage out of my hair, for those pieces that are more damaged than the others, I twist those about halfway down, and for the remainder, I take a small perm rod and roll it up my ends so that I can obtain a more defined look. Now I'm going to let my hair air dry overnight. So this is the next day and my hair is 100% dry. I'm going to start removing the rods in the opposite direction in how I roll them. I'm going to take my oil of choice, which is Argan oil, and I'm going to apply it throughout my hair just to give it some shine. Now it's time to separate. Once I've separated, I'm going to take my pick and I'm going to fluff at the roots just to add volume. So now I'm starting to separate some more. I like for my hair to be big, so the more you separate, the bigger the volume. And girl, I just cannot stop here. I'm going to continue to fluff, and fluff some more using my hands. And I'm also going to pick at my roots some more just to try to hide some of those parts from the twists. And we all know this look will not be complete until I what? Lay those edges. And we are all done. Overall, I really liked these products for my hair. It did not leave my curls feeling crunchy. It was very lightweight and the scent was not overbearing at all. So I'm definitely going to use these products again for a different style. So anything that you would like to see, please comment below to give me some ideas. And until next time, thanks for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye.